YouTubers, here we go again. Happy Black Friday, everybody. Hopefully everyone had a good holiday. Got a lot of turkey in, a lot of pumpkin pie. So, oh yeah, some stuffing. Now we got a special, I think it's Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out, so they can ship this to you fast. I just can't believe we are in the holiday rush now. Santa Claus will be here shortly. And we got here. What is this? Ooh. Pruveeo. Dash cam time. This looks nice. 4-channel dash cameras, full at HD 1080p. But I like these style. Security for your car. Adjustable lens. Yeah, this is definitely a nice one. Professional manufacturer of dash cam. Pruveeo. Hopefully I didn't butcher it too bad. But we shall see how this looks and works. And you guys can get them now. Got the Black Friday deals going. Cyber Monday deals going all weekend. So definitely check them out. And like I said, check out the other items they have to offer. But definitely add this to your wish list or just buy it now. Maybe one for you, your partner, fiance, or whoever. Especially the new car owners, old car owners. It'd be a nice little gift. And they got everything in this box. These are nice to have. Just put it where the sticky part. And of course, the wire holder. Pruveeo. There's one of the cameras. Working. And like I said, we'll test it out and everything. This long cord. That's a good thing though. Make sure you remove the film. Really nice cam right there. I like this. And maybe if you know any truck drivers or whatnot, delivery peeps, especially with the DoorDash, Grubhub, and Instacart and everything else, this would be a good thing to have for them. This comes with a mount, so that's a good thing. So you still got time to shop. Once you order them today or tonight, they'll definitely come before Christmas, so don't wait too long though. So there's never when there's weather delays or whatnot. Oops. So just get it now if you have the time. Or does it go this way? There we go. There we go. That's good for now, so that's good suction right there. And we got the cigarette adapter right here. That's long too. Definitely interested in how this looks. Recording. Pruveeo. There we go. See, this is nice. Nice package. Sticky note. Probably a sensor right there. Secure. So you get some screws right here. All this. Looks like another dash mount. Or you could probably maybe by the vents. Maybe. And we got some clips for the wires. We got the user manual. here she is. Ooh, baby. Yeah, see, this goes back here. So you have it like that. So keep that right now. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, you can definitely 4 lanes or 3 lanes, 2 lanes. Depends on how many lanes you can see for sure, especially on expressway, freeway, highway. Oh yeah, this is nice. Got the screen right here. Oh, come on. Come on, buddy. Ooh, baby. Yeah, look at that screen. Yeah, I mean, see the pivot. So you have it like that, different angle. Okay, that makes a sound, so that's good. Side control, memory card, micro SD, V30 speed U3 power, and then for the back camera. So we got that, we got that. We gotta go in the car. Let's set this baby up. Alright guys, be safe. We'll be right back. I almost forgot guys, it does come with the memory card. So that's really cool. 128 gig, that's good enough. So there you go. And now it's going to be install time. I had to add this in really quick because like I said, that's a good thing to have. So awesome. Awesome combo. Great packaging. Now time for install. Alright guys, we are in the car now. All I got to do is turn it on and let this thing start up. Oh man. There we go. Pruveeo. Whoa. Oh yeah, I forgot the SIM card. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see because of the smudge. There we go. And you can see the third one right there. And now we can adjust. Looking down. Dang. I think I gotta. Not sure which way. So you can have a single mode. Check the different cams. Have multiple screen. Off, on. There we go. So we're at 1080. You can see on top what it is. Switch there. Definitely excited. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to figure out probably like this, and then cameras would go the other way. So I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to set this yet, but it does look sweet. Definitely excited to install this probably sometime today, but right now we're just doing a test run and everything works. Like I said, you get the mini SD card with it. That's crazy though. Looks good. Alright YouTubers, check them out. Pruveeo, right on Amazon. Really nice. Alright YouTubers, be safe. Take it easy.